Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with a new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new email address in your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to launch the Facebook app on your device. Once you open your Facebook app, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from your home page, you have to tap on the three-line icon on your profile that you see at the upper right corner of your screen. You will land on your menu page. Now here again tap on settings icon from the same section, that is upper right corner of your screen. You will land on your settings and privacy page. Now under your account info at the very top of this interface, you will see personal and account information. Tap on there. You will land on your information account section. Now from there tap on contact info. You will see this interface where you will provide it with two options, that is add phone number and add email address. So tap on add email address. Here type in the new email address that you want to add on that empty box. Once you type in here, tap on add email. Now a confirmation email has been sent to your email address, so head back to your email and look for that email. Here you will receive an email from Facebook, so tap on confirm. Once you tap on confirm, you will be asked to log into your Facebook. Once you're logged in, your email will be added on your Facebook account. So this is how you can simply add email address in Facebook account. I hope this tutorial helped you, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.